Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 9074, it's usually a network or connection issue, meaning Prime Video can't properly communicate with its servers. The fix is typically quick once you stabilize your connection. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 9074 on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that this error is usually internet related. It often happens on smart TVs, Fire TV, or mobile. It's fixable in minutes. Okay, so focus on connection first, like check your internet connection, test your Wi-Fi speed, switch to a more stable network if possible, because strong connection means stable playback. So restart your router, like turn off router for 30 to 60 seconds and turn it back on. It fixes most network glitches. You can also restart your device as a whole if possible, like restart your TV, your phone, or streaming device. Okay, it clears temporary issues. You can also refresh Prime Video, like on mobile, close and reopen the app. If you are using TV, exit and relaunch Prime Video. It fixes temporary errors too. Check for app update too. So updates Prime Video from App Store, like it fixes bugs causing errors too. You can also disable VPN or proxy. You can turn off VPN and retry playback. VPN often causes connection errors. Okay, so change DNS settings. Okay, so use public DNS. Okay, it improves connection stability. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.